Hi, Jack. Hi, Lauren. What are you two up to?
We're making our own cooking show.
Just like Sam the cooking guy.
Don't you know his last name? Sam who? So, don't you two have any nicer t-shirts?
No, we don't.
Well, all right. Just let me know how I can help. Oh, and you know the first rule around here, you gotta wear your safety glasses. You never know what can happen in this kitchen. Okay, talk to you later.
Hey Dad, do we have an Evo?
Huh? What's an Evo?
It's a flat top cooking surface needed for this recipe.
No. You know what though? I'll be right back. Okay, here you go. One Evo. Huh? Huh? All right, so how's it working out? You both have some schmutz on your face.
Here?
No, lower?
Over here?
No.
Where? I get it.
Never mind.
And to begin this recipe, we will need 1 fresh tomato. And we slice. What is the problem with all the knives in this house? None of them can cut anything.
Watch your language, young man. Let me see that. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here you go. And I got a cleaver for you.
Thanks.
Bet.
Dad, do we have any Chosen Foods avocado oil?
No, I don't think so. You know what? I think this will work just as well.
Jack, did you get the flour?
Yeah, here.
Louis!
Dad, this recipe calls for smoked meats. Do we have a Traeger Timberline 850 pellet smoker with wire-fire technology?
We don't need no stinking fancy pants smoker. I'll be right back.
The recipe calls for it.
Hey, Jack, your smoker is ready. What the fuck is that?
Watch your language.
Dude, come on, look at that.
Hey Dad, do we have a Caliber Pro Komodo grill smoker with a rear blaze basket and rotisserie?
One Komodo dragon cooker coming right up.
Son of a bitch! What the f was that?
So, how did everything turn out?
Sam would never serve this at Not Not Taco.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, we can go sometime.
What the f is a not taco?
San
He
Diego.
must have meant hot taco. You know what? I'll make you a hot taco. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the hot taco. And we taste.
Well, Sam, now you know why we need to win something from your holiday giveaway.
Actually, we need all of it, but we'll be grateful for anything you can send.
Please, Sam. Our dad's gonna burn the house down otherwise.